Forex trading on the surface feels simple and almost mechanical, where price moves up and down, opportunities appear and disappear, and traders try to capture profit from these movements. But beneath this seemingly straightforward system lies an entire infrastructure that quietly controls how your trades are executed, how your orders are filled, and in some cases, whether you even get the price you were expecting. This hidden layer is the broker, and in regions like the United States, this layer is not just important, it is tightly controlled, heavily regulated, and limited to only a small number of approved firms. When most people start exploring Forex trading, they quickly come across dozens of brokers offering extremely attractive features, including ultra-low spreads, massive leverage, and instant withdrawals, all presented in a way that makes trading feel easy, fast, and highly profitable. But what many beginners fail to understand is that these offers often come with trade-offs that are not immediately visible. In fact, the majority of these brokers are not even allowed to operate in the United States. And the reason for this is not random or accidental, but rather the result of some of the strictest financial regulations in the world. In the United States, brokers must comply with strict oversight from regulatory bodies such as Commodity Futures Trading Commission and National Futures Association, both of which are responsible for ensuring that trading environments remain fair, transparent, and free from manipulation. This means that any broker operating legally within the U.S. must meet high standards in terms of capital requirements, reporting, execution practices, and client protection policies, which significantly reduces the number of brokers that can qualify. One of the clearest examples of this difference can be seen in leverage, where many offshore brokers promote extremely high ratios, such as 1 to 500 or even 1 to 2,000, giving traders the illusion of amplified opportunity, while in reality, also exposing them to amplified risk, often leading to rapid losses for those who are not experienced. In contrast, U.S. regulated brokers limit leverage to much lower levels, typically around 1 to 50, not because they want to restrict traders, but because they aim to create a more controlled and sustainable trading environment where risk is managed rather than magnified. Number 5. Tasty. Among the limited number of brokers that operate legally in the United States, TastyFX stands out as one of the most reliable options, largely due to its connection with IG Group, a globally recognized financial institution with decades of experience in the trading industry. Rather than focusing on flashy marketing or exaggerated promises, this platform emphasizes stability, consistent execution, and a professional trading environment, which becomes especially important during periods of high market volatility when weaker brokers tend to struggle with slippage, delays, or rejected orders. Number 4. Forex.com. Another major player in the U.S. Forex market is Forex.com, a broker known for its scale, reliability, and ability to handle massive trading volumes on a daily basis, which translates into strong liquidity and efficient order execution for traders. This becomes particularly valuable for those trading gold, where even small execution delays can significantly impact profitability, making a stable and responsive trading environment a critical factor rather than just a convenience. Number 3. Oanda. For traders who are just beginning their journey, Oanda offers a more accessible and user-friendly experience, combining a clean interface with transparent pricing and a long-standing reputation for trust and reliability within the industry. Instead of overwhelming users with overly complex tools, it provides a balanced environment where traders can focus on learning market behavior and developing their skills without unnecessary distractions. Number 2. Interactive brokers. Interactive brokers represents a more advanced tier of trading platforms, offering institutional-level tools, competitive pricing, and access to a wide range of financial markets, making it a strong choice for experienced traders who require precision and flexibility. However, its complexity means that it may not be suitable for beginners, as it assumes a certain level of familiarity with trading systems and market structure. Number 1. Charles Schwab. Finally, Charles Schwab offers a highly secure and well-established trading environment, backed by a strong reputation in the financial industry, making it particularly appealing to traders who prioritize safety and long-term stability over aggressive trading conditions. What all of this ultimately reveals is that choosing a broker is not simply a technical decision, but a foundational one, because it defines the conditions under which every single trade you take will be executed, influenced, and ultimately judged.